Welcome to my short tutorial today. Today I'm going to show you how to create a random number in Excel. So we can use the formula equal random. You can see we have multiple formula here. Random, random between, random average, random equal or rank. So we use the random and press enter. So you will create a random number. So for the second one, we just use the random between. We use from 50 to 100. So it will help you to create a value between 50 to 100. Press enter. Then we can just put out with the same formula to other name. So all this value, the number is between 50 to 100. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.